Hello kids, today we learn A to Z capital ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for arrow, B for bird, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flower, G for grass, H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for locket, M for mug, N for nail polish, O for owl, P for panda, Q for queen, R for rose, S for snake, T for turtle, U for unicorn, V for vase, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zero. Please like, share and subscribe.